Hello there! Today we are going to solve a derivative problem. So, first, what is our main problem? Our main problem is 7x to the cube minus 8x secant of 7x divided by sin of 7x plus the natural log of x to the power of 7. So here we need to use many laws and equations. For example, here, only by deriving this, we need to use the power rule. Then here is the negative 8x secant of 7x. To derive this, we need to use the law of secant. The derivative of secant is equal secant x tangent x times x prime. Then here, also we have a trigonometric problem that we need to be solved with the formula of sin x, that is equals to cos x. And here we have a natural log. The rule that we are going to use is the log rule, that is right here. The natural log is equal 1 over x times the derivative of the inside the parentheses. Now, to start to solve this problem, principally we need to use the quotient rule. Why? Because here we have 2x on the denominator and on the numerator. So now we are going to solve it. First, we start deriving the numerator times the denominator minus the derivative of the denominator times the numerator. And also an important fact of this is that the denominator of the quotient rule needs to stay at the power of 2.
Okay, so here comes the good part. We have to find the derivatives. Now, in this part of the equation, of the problem actually, we have to expand more of these numbers. Here with 7x cubed, we will have to find the derivative of that one, and then subtracted by the derivative of 8x times the secant of 7x plus the derivative of the secant 7x times 8x. This is because of the product rule. And now we also all of that multiplied by sin of 7x. And then we have to find the derivative of the sin of 7x, and that multiplied by 7x cubed minus 8x times the secant of 7x. Now, here we also have to just pass this as sin squared 7x is the same. And now we have to find the derivative of each one. Here we start with this one, so here we just find with the rules, sin x equals cos x times x prime, which in this case will give us 7 cosine 7x. That is minus because of the quotient rule, times 7x cubed minus 8x secant of 7x. Now we have to move to this part. Here we just pass 7x cubed, the derivative is 21x squared, that is because of the power rule. Then here 8x is also because of the power rule, and is 8 times secant 7x minus, because this negative sign multiplies the whole quotient. And 56x times secant of 7x times tan of 7x. Now this is because we multiply the 8x times the derivative, the x prime, which is 8 in the, 7 in this case. So 7 times 8x is 56x. And we also use the rule that secant x equals secant x times tan x. And this is the result. In this part, we also subtract the other part that we already done. All of these divided by sin squared times 7x. And then plus 7x.
And now to finish our problem, we're gonna solve the last part, which is the natural log of x to the 7th power. And to solve this, we're gonna use a rule, which is 1 over x, what is inside of the natural log, times the derivative of x, which is x prime. So we're gonna take this part of the problem So 1 over x, which it will be 1 over x to the 7th power times the derivative, which it will be 7x to the 6th. So when we multiply 1 times 7x to the 6th power, it will come to this. And we are going to simplify the problem, and finally we'll have the answer 7 over x. So our answer will be the last part my partners explained, and this part.